my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to show you how to measure the length and width when given the perimeter. So the only time you can actually do this is if your shape is a square, because if I have a square, I'm going to label one of my sides S, and if I label one of my sides S, I can actually label them all S, right? Because in a square, all the sides are equal. So if, let's say my perimeter is 20, I know that I have to add all the sides to get the perimeter, but because they're all the same, I can really just write that as 4S equals the perimeter. So if 4S equals 20, then I divide both sides by 4 and I get S equals 5. So I know that my length is 5 and my width is 5. However, if you are given a rectangle, then the sides are not necessarily the same. So you are going to need either the length or width to figure this out. So if you're given a rectangle, and let's say again you're given that the perimeter is 20, we would label this L and this W, and this is also L and this is also W. So now my perimeter equation is P equals 2L plus 2W. So if I know that my perimeter is 20, I do need to know one of these other values in order to figure this out. So let's say you're given your length. Let's say you're given that your length is equal to 4. Then I'm going to do 2 times 4 plus 2W because I don't know W yet. That becomes 8, so I get 20 equals 8 plus 2W. I'm solving for width, so I'm doing minus 8 on both sides. I get 20 minus 8 is 12. 12 is 2W. I want to divide both sides by 2 here, and when I do that, I'm going to get W equals 6. So in this particular rectangle, my width would be 6, and my length was given to me. It would be 4. And if I want to double check that, that would also be 6. That would also be 4. I get 10 plus 10 is indeed 20 for my perimeter. So given a side, one of the sides in the perimeter, you are able to find the other side. And if it's a square, then you can go ahead and find either side. So that's how you find the length or width given the perimeter and one of the other sides.